Welcome to the show. I'm joined by Matt Brown, Morning Tune Matt. Right, let's kick off with market movers this morning. Headlines, markets in risk-off mode as North Korea tensions rise again.
We're back here again. We were here a few weeks ago. North Korea launching missiles over Japan into their waters has caused problems again with the market. It's got Japan a little bit nervous. It is really risk-off mode. We're looking at the yen rising, gold up above 1,300, dollar really falling back this morning, and markets themselves have got the Footsie down over 1%, Europe stocks as well, and we'll probably see a similar thing once the US opens this afternoon. So, yep, that is the general feeling.
Very interesting that the technicals led the fundamentals here. We've seen over the last couple of weeks a lot of technicians come in and suggest that we were at a major point in terms of topping patterns on the S&P, the Dow, the Nasdaq and the likes. And the fundamentals almost catching up with technicals.
Yeah, indeed. I mean, a lot of the moving averages were being hit as the market has slowly come off and they're coming down. So it's kind of starting to indicate maybe a bearish market in a lot of these. So that's feeding through. And obviously with the fundamentals and everything going on, we saw Jackson Hole really disappointing as well over the weekend. The market probably expected too much, but yeah, keep an eye on North Korea. Certainly anything nuclear in Japan could be worrying. We could have another Godzilla. Unfortunately, the actor who played Godzilla passed away a couple of weeks ago, but
88 years old.
Yeah, big lizards, be aware.
Right, let's kick off then with Footsie. One to watch, Randgold Resources, gold play, very
exactly, sensible. Very easy read across, up 3%. It's a leveraged gold play. Fresnillo as well, silver play trading up today. Understood.
Let's go to AIM, Strix PLC. Yeah. Hands up, I don't know what this does.
Yeah, neither did I until this morning. It was an IPO a few weeks ago. They make the switches inside kettles. They have a 34% market share. It's an AIM stock. They had a fundraising for about 190 million a few weeks ago. It's basic but simple, but British industry performing well, so look out for that. Stock floated at £1. I think it's trading around 127 now, so a bit of a premium from the IPO figure. And the ticker is fantastic. It's KETL, kettle for short.
Very good.
That jumped out at me this morning.
Right, currency-wise, the Great British Pound, the Euro cross 92.98, and cable, Great British Pound against US dollar 129.60.
Yeah, cable hitting or getting close to 130 again. Euro sterling, euro going from strength to strength, and worth noting euro dollar as well above the 120 handle. It's been quite an aggressive move to the upside. But if you're going on holiday, I believe there was an article. Southampton, basically you pay for every pound, you get 87 cents of euros.
That's, I mean, highway robbery.
You're better off staying in Southampton and having a staycation than flying off to Spain, where there's been more rain this weekend.
Very good. Right, the core number, 64 million. That's actually my lucky number. What's that number?
It's one of my lucky numbers. 64 million, it's the number of PPI insurance, not claims, but the insurance that was written over the years. A lot of the PPI was unnecessary. But the FCA have come out this morning and said, look, only about 24 million claims have come through, about 12 million have paid out, but there's could be tens of millions still to come. The important thing is it's 2 years till the deadline from today that people can get in their PPI claim. What does that mean? Well, it's not good for the likes of Royal Bank of Scotland, Lloyds, etc. They continue to have PPI write-downs, and well, could have another 2 years of that to come.
Okay, let's wrap up with the economic calendar. In terms of the US, we've got the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index, and we've got Fed Evans Speaks.
Nothing really to move the market there. I think everyone will be looking at the rhetoric coming from Donald Trump on the back of North Korea. Look out for that. Also, he's visiting Texas, the sad floods over there. I mean, that's actually bad for the US because that may need some infrastructure spending. So money's tight in the US at the moment, reaching the debt ceiling. Will Trump make commitments there that one hopes he can keep? And then we're looking towards the end of the week with regards to non-farm payrolls and some PPI numbers, etc., coming out from the US and the UK during the week.
Very good. Thank you very much.